CTS Sedan has a dependable gas V6 3.6 liters/217 engine powering this automatic transmission. Transmission, 8-speed automatic, STD, technology package includes, Y61, Advanced Security Package, Y62, Performance Seat and Cluster Package and, Y66, Driver Assist Package. Premium Luxury Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment. These packages will make your Cadillac CTS Sedan Premium Luxury Collection AWD the envy of onlookers. Jet black W/jet black accents, full leather seats, with carbon fiber trim, engine, 3.6 liters V6, SIDI, DOHC, VVT with active fuel management and automatic stop/start, 335 horsepower, 250 kilowatts, at 6,800 revolutions per minute, 285 pounds-to-foot of torque, 386 Nm, at 5,300 revolutions per minute. STD, driver assist package includes, AX7, automatic safety belt tightening, KSG, adaptive cruise control and, UVZ, forward/reverse automatic braking, UGN, automatic collision braking, crystal white tricoat, Cadillac user experience with embedded navigation AM/FM stereo with connected navigation providing real-time traffic, 8 diagonal color information display, 3 USB ports, personalized profiles for each driver settings, enhanced voice recognition, phone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, capability for compatible phone, collection and teen driver, STD, wireless charging. The system wirelessly charges one PMA or Qi compatible mobile device. Check for phone or other device compatibility, see gmtotalconnect.ca, wipers, Rainsense, wipers, front intermittent, windows, power with front and rear express up and down with passenger lockout feature, windows, laminated glass, front side, wheels, 18x8.5, 45.7 cm by 21.6 cm, 15-spoke premium painted alloy, visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to claim your Cadillac CTS Sedan.